Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Edge check engine light issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A check engine light in the Ford Edge is commonly described as staying steadily illuminated, appearing intermittently, or turning on during specific driving conditions such as acceleration, idling, or cruising. Verified technical service information and reviewed automotive diagnostics data indicate that check engine light activation can occur across multiple Ford Edge model years, with relevance depending on engine configuration, emission system design, and onboard diagnostic strategy. This issue does not affect all vehicles and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves engine sensor monitoring behavior. Sensors that measure airflow, oxygen levels, engine temperature, or crankshaft position can trigger the light when readings fall outside expected parameters. Another confirmed cause relates to emissions control system operation. Components involved in emissions regulation can cause the check engine light to activate when the system detects efficiency or flow irregularities. Fuel system behavior is also a documented factor. Irregular fuel delivery, pressure variations, or combustion-related inconsistencies can prompt the engine control module to illuminate the warning light. Ignition system performance is another verified consideration. Conditions affecting spark timing or combustion consistency can lead to fault detection under certain operating conditions. Electrical or wiring integrity is an additional confirmed aspect. Loose connectors, damaged wiring, or unstable voltage supply can intermittently interrupt sensor or module communication. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include recent battery disconnection, software calibration behavior, or temporary operating conditions. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include scanning for diagnostic trouble codes, inspecting sensor inputs and wiring integrity, evaluating fuel and ignition system operation, and addressing any stored faults according to manufacturer procedures. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and engine-specific requirements. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Edge check engine light concerns are resolved through sensor-related repairs, wiring correction, or system recalibration rather than major engine repair. Outcomes vary by model year, engine configuration, and service history. In conclusion, Ford Edge check engine light activation is typically linked to sensor monitoring behavior, emission system operation, fuel or ignition-related conditions, electrical integrity issues, or control module evaluation logic. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.